Hello, it's Fast Charlie. And I've got, I believe it's an older Corbin here. It's can't really see anything. Oh, no writing except this 1565 on the bottom of the lock. I don't know if that's the bidding. I don't know. Could be. Tiny little thing. It's got the little chain holder. I don't know if this is the original one though. But it says lubricate with graphite. I have not put anything in here. Here's the key. It's a tiny little guy. Yeah, so I thought I would do this. It's got the little, can't take it apart. It's got the little paw in here. Here's how this works. And, oh, it does have a patent thing on here. It says patent 1849775. So, yeah, I think that's the bidding, that number on the bottom. And I'm going to use this for K1 locks. Open a padlock challenge in celebration of his 200th video and 200th subscriber. I have been a long-time subscriber of his, and some people may know this thing is tiny. I don't know how to explain how tiny this is. This is a Master 3. This is a Master 3. Here's this little thing. It's a little bit hard to deal with because it's so tiny, and you can't just stick something in there and open it up. It won't. You do have to pick it. Anyway, some people may know that K1 Locks was the person who first traded with me when I really didn't have anything to trade, except some of my first challenge locks, and and that was the start of it for me. I had been kind of lurking around and just been trying to pick some master locks and locks like that. Locks that were just kind of laying around the house. And there we go. Got it. Cool. Anyway, he was open to trading with me and gave me my first batch of challenge locks. Gave me some pins and stuff, and away I went. I have loved trading ever since, and I don't plan on stopping. So, congratulations, K1 Locks. And also thank you. And I forgot to mention what I was using here. It's a 40 thousandths top of keyway, and and a 15 thousandths sparrows. And I don't think I'm gonna get this again right now. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. It's about gonna go. It's gonna go. Come on. Oh, there we go. Got it. All right. Okay. All right. Again, congratulations, K1 Locks, and be good and be well. Turn it. Got it.